Morning. Last night we did a good 3.5 mile climb from Watauga Dam, and today we're on ridges pretty much the whole way, almost to Damascus, which is really nice. Virginia, as we get closer, it's a lot nicer terrain. Makes us a lot faster, cover more miles, and it's all good. Kristen was practically on top of this bunny before it moved. Does he look good for dinner? This is the best example of the green grass I've been talking about on both sides. It's amazing how it's all the same grass ever since we started, the same type. Occasionally along the trail we find gravestones, and this one's pretty interesting. It's for Uncle Nick, born 1851, died 1923, but this is the interesting part. It says, lived alone, suffered alone, and died alone. So I guess he wasn't well loved by his family. Here's a horse and cattle proof gate, and semi-Kristen proof too. She took a while to figure it out. Go ahead. See what I mean?